Conventional tailings and dredge spoil management relies heavily on long-term consolidation and is generally the privy of engineering consultants and geotechnical modellers. Passive self-weight consolidation takes a very long time, often measured in years, and for the client it represents a degree of uncertainty as it's not quite process engineering and not quite geotechnical engineering. Time spent waiting for consolidation also represents a lost opportunity and hence is a cost. So who understands the value in this transition from slurry to solid? Who understands how to reduce this cost? For a lot of large-scale tailings operations, the answer is generally no one. However, for Residue Solutions, an Australian company specialising in large-scale residue management, it represents an opportunity to highlight and focus largely on the importance of delivering safe, cost-effective tailings and dredge spoil dewatering and consolidation solutions, beyond the end of the pipe and in a way that puts the client back in control.
Very few people understand the benefits of consolidation, and even less understand the value that it represents. But this is what we do, this is what we specialise in. Until now, there's only been limited options. These include filtration, centrifugation, or even wicking. But all of these come at very high capital costs and even higher operating costs. But there is a better way.
Post-deposition tailings management, or mud farming, is a way to manage this uncertainty. The technology is commonplace in the global alumina industry. Now it's seeing broader application in new commodities, dredge management and even land reclamation, as the rest of the world looks to innovative and cost-effective ways to achieve best practice. Residue Solutions is also at the forefront of this new approach with the development of highly specialised post-deposition dewatering equipment, Mudmasters.
The Mudmaster represents 25 years of research. Now, while its configuration is not new, what we do with it is. We've now developed algorithms that allow us to design a machine to traverse any material, anywhere, for any purpose.
So, at Residue Solutions, integrating the Mudmaster technology with the general principles of mud farming is achieved through a three-stage approach, whereby 1. Material properties are fully characterised and operational requirements defined. 2. Equipment is configured with capabilities aligned to suit the material and specific site requirements. And 3. Equipment usage and management strategies are aligned with production rates and site resources to meet design and legislative requirements.
We're always looking for ways to improve both machine performance and its design. As we've learnt more about the mud farming process, we've developed an in-house modelling capability which allows us to manipulate that design and operation. And it also allows us to match that design to the properties of the material it's going to traverse. Now that's an unusual approach because conventional thinking is you try and wrap a management approach around the capabilities of your equipment, and that's not what we do.
The Mudmaster technology has been successfully applied to everything from red mud, oil sands to dredge ponds. It is becoming more widely adopted as increasingly stringent legislation imparts limitations of operational footprint expansion in a climate of suppressed commodity prices, community pressures, as well as increased production from recent expansions. All these forces align to pressure operations to do better with less.
This transition is being driven by the simple fact that operations need to achieve a higher level of performance within their existing footprint. Given that mud farming is around 10 times cheaper than filtration, up to 20 times cheaper than centrifuge, it's not surprising that new commodities and operations are starting to take notice.
While cost is important, safety is paramount. All Mudmasters undergo a rigorous design and fabrication process. For every application, there is an independent stability assessment to ensure that the machine operator can safely operate the machine under all expected conditions. But that is really only the start of the journey.
Each Mudmaster is equipped with a purpose-built vehicle management system. This allows us to monitor every aspect of its operation and performance. And now we can stream that data from anywhere in the world with a cell phone signal back to our control centre. Now this allows us to keep every aspect of operation fully under control and allows us to optimise the performance and reduce our costs for our clients.
Up until now, the mining industry has been successful in realising the rewards of high-grade mineral deposits and largely supportive community and government. As these deposits mature and community resistance increases, the economics become more challenging. To some extent, this is mirrored in port and marine infrastructure management, where maintaining shipping channels under tighter economics and environmental pressures require innovative solutions. So, the next phase of development in both industries is to fully realise the benefits of adopting innovation and challenging conventional thinking to sustain operations and deliver beyond community expectation. This innovation is available now. It is proven, it is commercial, and it is scalable technology. It is the Mudmaster.